Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So I have some new toys, new goodies to play with, and they are Easter themed. I love Easter and I love all the lovely pastel Easter colours. Now when I first saw these, I absolutely fell in love with them, and I've made one of them up here and I cannot wait to make the bunny rabbit. And there's two more that I don't have, but I definitely want to be getting the other one there, but I'll go into more detail about these die sets in a second. But here is my little chickie that I've just made. I think it's absolutely adorable. So I have two children, so I am going to have to make another one. So I'm going to make up a bunny rabbit, I think, but in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do the chickie. The construction for all of these sets are exactly the same as well. It's super simple, super easy. So let's have a quick look at the die sets. Now this one is the Easter bunny, and you get 25 dies, and lots of them are quite small as well, so keep them on a magnetic sheet to keep them safe. And here we have the Easter chick. So you can use these for 2D or 3D projects, so they're so versatile. So you can use these on card fronts as well, because this pops out and it does make an egg shape. So you can cut these out of different colours and then pop in a different colour and then pop it on a card, and there you go, you've got your lovely Easter chick or your bunny. But on the other side it tells you all the other things that are in the same collection. So this is another one I need to get. This is the Easter, has it got a name? The Easter egg holder. Craft Stash die set Easter egg holder, ornate egg. So that's the ornate egg, and this is the Easter lamb. So I'm definitely going to be getting hold of that egg there, because it comes with the Happy Easter dies. So these are quite hard to find. Anything, a die that says Happy Easter, I always buy them because you don't really get that many. Anyway, so the cardstock I have used, I have no idea if it's in stock. I just went into my stash. This is the adorable Scorable by Hunkydory, and this one is Coral Crush. And I've got a lovely yellow here, which is Lemon Squeeze. They also have a matte collection. This one here is shiny, but they also have a matte collection and a huge range of colours as well. So they'll have different shades of these pinks and yellows too. Okay, so let's move on with showing you how to make this beautiful little chickie. Okay, so I've got some eggs here I want to try out. So I know a Cadbury's cream egg will fit in there, so I just want to try a few others. I have here an Easter egg hunt kit. These are hollow eggs, and I also have some Kinder Surprise. I have no idea if any of these are going to fit, but again, I know a Cadbury's cream egg will fit. So let's pop this one in here. Oh, I've lost my bow. I will fix that another time. Once we're done here, let's pop the Kinder Surprise in, and yes, if we squeeze that, that is going to fit. It's a very, very full chickie, but yes, it does fit. Okay, and then we have, let's try a blue one. That's going to look really nice with the pink and the yellow. This one is a better fit, a much better fit. So this is just a standard hollow egg from, they're all pretty much the same wherever you get those from, the same sort of size. That fits absolutely perfectly, and this is pretty much the similar size to a Cadbury's cream egg. Okay, so let's fix this up now. So I'm just going to add some glue just to the top here, to the hair. I keep my egg in. I keep going down too far. I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. And again, it's perfectly mirrored as well, so that everything lines up. And because that's going to want to pop open while the glue is drying, I'm just going to find myself a paper clip just to hold that in place. And then I'm just going to fix this bow, because that did come off. What I'll do is I'll add the glue to the actual bow on the bottom part, and we will pop that back on. Okay, so that is the beautiful chickie, and she stands up to, this is so cute. I cannot wait to make the other one as well, with the eggshell on the top, and also this lovely bunny one as well. There are so many dies in here. There's 25 dies, and they're all little diddy ones, so put them on a magnetic sheet and then you won't lose them, or keep them all together on a big strip of low tack tape. That will keep them all together as well, so you're not going to lose any little bits and bobs. Okay, so that is my Easter egg holder project. I absolutely love this one. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one too, and if you've made these as well, we would love to see them as well. So you can hashtag craftstash as well on social media. Share all your makes. Don't just, you know, be shy about it. If you make something you absolutely love, please do share it with us. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.